Hi everyone, tonight I unboxed my first and very own Cire Trudon candle that I purchased online last week. And as you can see, Cire Trudon is a coveted candle making company. They put a lot of time and thought into their craft here, and even the packaging is very meticulous. This is actually a gift to my daughter since she's starting school, and even the wrapping paper is, I think that's their signature wrapping paper. Cire Trudon has been around since 1643, King Louis XIV, and they're still around making these really nice, long-lasting candle. I think the burn time is up to 65 hours. Just to make sure that I'm getting the real deal here, they sealed the box with stickers that's embossed with their logo. And here you have it, Cire Trudon. This is La Marquise. It smells so divine. Alright, there you have it. Thanks, bye.